After researching and testing more than 24 systems from the best ERP software category, I've compiled a list with 5 winners that fit my needs. In this video, I'll tell you a few secrets that will be really helpful for you. And now I'll show you everything in detail with a visual example. So let's jump in.
What is MiTrack Pro? One word sums up MiTrack Pro: flexibility. You may be using tired old spreadsheets or an ERP system that can't scale with your manufacturing company. When your organization grows, MiTrack Pro adapts to your needs, striking a balance between department flexibility and administrative control. From customizable dashboards and reports to being able to reuse data like quotes, RFQs, sales orders, and work orders, MiTrack Pro adjusts its full features unique to you without hurting your wallet. Best 4. MiTrack Pro is best suited for discrete manufacturers and fabricators that handle anywhere from 5 million to 500 million in fabrication and processing. Pros: the software is reliable and functional, and most importantly, the staff at MIE Solutions provide effective and prompt support. Their willingness to customize programs and provide new innovative solutions to help us work more effectively has always been their greatest asset. In this regard, I would certainly recommend facilities like us, as this software removes any barriers of having a certain threshold and size to use such application software. The product is so flexible, collecting all the different data to make better decisions, and the support is fantastic at making reports fit our specific needs. Cons: lack of manual describing all functionality aspects. Lack of sound documentation when setting up for the first time. It is somewhat difficult to train team members, especially those who aren't as experienced with computers and databases. New builds often cause unforeseen problems. Some smaller nuisance issues have not been fixed for several generations. What is Wrike? Wrike is an enterprise resource planning software trusted by 20,000 plus companies worldwide. Improve your enterprise resource planning using resource management and allocation, performance reports, Gantt charts, time tracking, workload overviews, and company-wide visibility all in one place. Integrate Wrike with 400 plus applications to accelerate your everyday processes, customize workflows, and reduce the need for emails, meetings, status updates, and more. Work smarter, not harder with Wrike. Best 4. Perfect fit for mid-sized and enterprise companies that embrace teamwork, run multiple projects and clients. Tailor Wrike to your needs with custom workflows, fields, and reports. Pricing details. Free. Wrike's free basic plan is now available for unlimited users. Professional, $9.80 per user per month. Business, $24.80 per user per month, billed annually. Enterprise, $45 per user per month. To receive accurate pricing, contact Wrike directly. Pinnacle, $60 per user per month. To receive accurate pricing, contact Wrike directly. Pros: so far, Wrike has been fantastic. It's helping us transition to a more natural workflow and keeping everyone on top of projects. This has been a fantastic addition to our project division toolkits and has been integral in the success of several projects we have run via Wrike. It is really helping to making our project progress as smooth and as effective as possible. It's packed with functionality, good call-up tool with our internal teams, task management is excellent. Cons: then they deactivated our account with no warning, and when I asked, they said it's written on the invoice. I supposedly had access to a CSM, but they never called. I was introduced to Wrike by a client who swore by it and still does, but I'm sad to say my experience with Wrike ended there. In my experience, it was needlessly confusing and just not intuitive. Customer support is poor. Be very cautious about changes to level of service or SLAs mid-contract with no recourse. Who can say for sure that I didn't utilize the assistance in light of the fact that there are access logs and still keep up with the unapproved charges? What is Deltek Vision? Deltek Vision is a project-based solution for professional services firms that combines project accounting, resource management, project management, time and expense management, and client management in one product. Deltek Vision is a web-based solution available for cloud or on-premises deployment. Best 4. Deltek Vision supports professional services firms like management and IT consulting, market research, and architecture and engineering. Pros: Deltek Vision is an excellent software to handle many databases simultaneously. During that work, we can easily filter the important data. It has the functionality especially for management and accounting departments. Overall, it's a solid program with proven results and a user base that reinforces trust. I liked how easy it is to track everything: timesheets, expense reports, accounting, invoices, accounts payable, and purchases, POs. Timesheets are easy to complete, and reviewing colleagues' timesheets is super easy. Cons. Our experience was horrible. Customer service agents screwed us from day one, and we got stuck with a 3-year license that was never used. Without extensive training, I have no idea what I'm doing and how it's affecting the information that spits out. The inability to drag in Outlook emails to populate client activities. Once in a while there would be some problems, but accounting handled them promptly. What is Dear Systems? Everything in one system, including account, e-commerce, inventory management, manufacturing, and POS at a fraction of the cost of ERPs. Manage orders from multiple channels, including e-commerce channels, with automation and great integrations. Track stock levels and stock on hand value for raw materials, components, finished goods, and more. Made to order, assembly, manufacturing, and component traceability features automatically maintain stock movements and keep accounts free of discrepancies. Best for retailers, wholesalers, distributors, and manufacturers with 5 to 100 employees. Seek everything in one system at a fraction of the cost of ERPs. Pricing details: $325 a month, standard plan, $445 a month, retailing plan, $525 a month, manufacturing plan, 14-day free trial. Pros: good video demonstration on the tutorial, easy to understand and follow, excellent after-sales support, swift in response. The software is made up of simple to understand modules with a clear purpose and excellent help videos and articles available. We also just started keeping some inventory in another warehouse, so the ability to keep track of that through Dear is nice. Also, the B2B portal has been a nice addition to our company as well. Dear support is always very responsive, and they keep holding my hand until we get where we need to be. Cons. This defect in your programming has greatly impacted accounting in QBO. I will no longer use your tool, which is supposed to find duplicates in QBO. I prefer to check each. Another time, the support team deleted one of my e-commerce store applications. This meant we had to re-add the store, and it re-imported and duplicated about 50,000 orders, causing a disastrous mess. It's not enough of an issue for them to address. Overall, terrible software service and terrible customer service. These can go for weeks at a time, causing massive frustration for my staff around the country and disruption to my business. What is Deltek Costpoint? Deltek Costpoint offers government contractors unparalleled project management, accounting, labor reporting, and compliance features to get the same capability you need to increase efficiency and improve profitability. It was built specifically for government contractors, has been adopted by thousands of government contractors, and earned the trust of federal agencies and their auditors. Best for project-based businesses. Pros: we like the Cognos relationship and the ability to export directly to Excel as well as upload from Excel. I also like the ease of use when using the software. It is cut and dry, and if you have used various SAPs before, you should not have an issue with this one. This software allows a user to access their time cards and log their time easily. Saving favorite codes for items such as contracts, worked, favorites, leave, etc. is a breeze. Overall, I've been very pleased with my experience with the software. Cons: a simple concept is complicated and user time is wasted with Deltek. Glitch with T&E, missing workflow, and hotel rates. It takes a lot of time to correct certain errors you may make. If HR has not uploaded the correct project code, you can't put any hours in at all. If you need to change the hours worked, it is a hassle because it throws error messages all over.